What's up, guys? If you are new around here, my name is Kate and I am the owner of Vogue Society Boutique, which I'm in my back room right now. We are online and we do have a storefront too. So we run it all out of the same building basically, and our inventory is just all out on our floor, and then when we get an online order, we'll either pull it from the floor or pull it from back here where our back stock is. And so today I'm just going to take you along and pack an order with me. It'll be like a short video, but I'm going to show you just some of the behind the scenes things, like supplies that I use, stuff like that. And I'm going to show you our back room right now because it's a little crazy. This is where we keep our back stock, which I've kind of showed you this before, and I'll show you again now, but it's like not organized at all right now because, let's see, it's March 4th right now. We went to Magic like middle of February, so our market orders are coming in like absolutely crazy. So we have so many boxes coming in like every single day. So this stuff is crazy unorganized, but it's just kind of fun to show you the behind the scenes. I have showed you this before, but these things kind of they're on a track and they move, which is really nice. I was afraid to move out of our warehouse thinking we wouldn't have enough room in this back room, but the amount of inventory you could fit back here is actually crazy. So typically we keep things on these two racks that have been steamed already but like still need tags, and then this would just be like still needs to be steamed side. Right now all of the stuff on both sides like all needs to be steamed. Like it is so much, and especially in the summer when you have more of like these thinner materials, they get more like wrinkled. So like when something comes in, it's wrinkled. I always like suggest steaming literally everything before you put it out on your floor. As far as online orders go, like I would probably ship this out. It's not too wrinkled, and it's probably just gonna get a little bit wrinkled as you go. But there are some that literally look like they were in a ball, and so I would steam those before I put them in like an online order. We're kind of just like trying to organize it back here, but this right here is just a mishmash of things. Typically this whole racking system right here is tops. So at the top we have long sleeves, jackets, then at the bottom sweaters, short sleeves. So not organized right now. We had to put, make a place for all of these maxi dresses that came in. So these are all maxis and jumpsuits that need to be steamed still and like tagged and put out on the floor. So like I said, lots of work to do. And then it just keeps going. We have more and more stuff back here. And the last one is more like shipping supplies and stuff. So every single day when whoever is opening our store comes in, they will go ahead and pull the online orders. That has already been done today, but I just got an order in and I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack the order, and I'm going to ship it out and show you all the things that I use along the way. So I've got to be careful about what I could show off of this order, but one thing that I really like using on Shopify is sorry, it's like really blurry right now, is the order printer app. So I do this and you actually are able to create a like template, so you can see VSB 2021 invoice, and I like customized it with our logo and stuff. Again, I can't show you down here because I don't want to show any like customer info, but I'm just gonna go ahead and print the customer's order, and I'm just showing you this one just because it came in the middle of the day. It's a bigger one, and so we just have our printer right down here. I got these little counters at, I think it's called Bar Display. These actually used to be our counters like for our old storefront, but I wanted to upgrade it for this one, and so I used the one that I found on Facebook Marketplace. But these are really convenient because they have adjustable shelves, so I have like the printer and then like all of our poly mailers. I also have a final sale stamper, which we use to like stamp things final sale if someone buys something that's like on sale and they can't return it. We have to have tape and staples nearby. We also have packing tape, so if we have any boxes or anything like that we have to ship out. And then also I have these that I put in every single order, unless you order from us like 3 times a week then I don't put in every single one. But this one is super cute. This is the kind of information that I include: how to shop this online, how to download our app, how to shop with us in store, basically all the info. And I just think it like tells a little bit of a story here, so that customers will want to shop with you again. I do order my poly mailers from American Paper and Plastic. I have a small, medium, and large size. just keep in mind that if you are gonna order from them, a lot of their, or like if you wanna order custom from them, and a lot of custom in general, it does take some time because it does ship from overseas and it's made overseas. So those took like several months to come in. So once I have the order printed, I'm just go ahead and pull all of the items that are in the order. She ordered a swimsuit, jeans, tops, she's got it all. So I already pulled her whole order is right here. It looks like a lot and then it's just like this much. So we could probably fit that in like a medium or a small size poly mailer. So I'm gonna set up my camera, show you guys how I ship it as I go. So the first thing I do, I know this is kind of an awkward angle, but I want you guys to see it right here. So first thing I do is I get tissue paper. I order this tissue paper off of Nashville Wraps. I get hot pink and I don't know the size of it, but I get like a pretty big size so that way I can fit like big orders like this all in one piece of tissue paper. So the way that I like to fold the orders is by putting one piece up like this and then one piece up like this so it kind of folds in the middle. And then I'm gonna flip it over and you'll see why in a second. But I'm just gonna make sure everything is folded nicely here. Always make sure that things are folded nicely for your customers. And I put it right on the end. And I'm going to grab a sticker. So we just use these little thank you stickers. Sometimes I make custom ones on my Dymo, but right now I'm just gonna use this thank you one and I'm going to go like this and wrap the order up. And then right here, I will use the thank you sticker to kind of seal it. So make sure that it doesn't come off. And then we have our cute little package, but next I'm going to take the invoice that, or like the order slip, whatever you guys want to call it. I fold it into threes like this. And then if I have room here, I'll like do it here. So I just kind of slide it in, which is why I folded it like I did and which is why I like had to flip it over. And then put one of these cards in here so that it's nice and branded. And there you go. That is how I pack the order. So I'm gonna bring you guys up here for a second. And then I think this one would be best in one of our middle-sized poly mailers here. So I am going to slip it in here. And there you go. That is how I package it. And then I will say I do have boxes too. So if a customer has like a huge order or has something like a hat or shoes or something like that that I need to put in something else, we do have. These ones are branded and I order these from Brandable Boxes and we have them in a few sizes and you can see we organize them with little stickies. The next thing we've got to do is weigh the package. Go ahead and yes, I have this cookie sheet on top of the scale just so it's like more accurate with it having more like room up here. So this is kind of heavy. It is 46 ounces exactly. And so I'm just gonna go in and click 46 ounces. So then it's gonna tell me my shipping options. So obviously this one looks like it is the cheapest one. Definitely don't wanna pay that. So we're going to pay this and we are going to ship it out. Shopify does give you a discount. So typically I guess this would cost $20, but instead it's only costing $9.74. So I'm just gonna click buy shipping label. Okay, so once it goes ahead and I'm allowed to print, I always want to make sure that I'm clicked on my Dymo, and then I'm going to go ahead and print. And then we use this Dymo. It's literally amazing if you don't have one. And, oh, don't know why that's happening. Can't lie though, that does happen sometimes. Okay. All right, well, anyways, we do use this besides for this one little mishap. It hasn't happened to me in a while, honestly. But these are amazing. They are thermal printers, so you don't need ink or anything. And we just have these labels so that literally I can just take it and I could, it's already sticky on this side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on the order and put it right on here, and so we are ready to ship it out. So once we have all of our orders for the day, we usually put them in like a little bin or whatever, and UPS and the post office both picks up every single day here, which is so convenient so that we don't have to take it to one of the places. But that's basically how we package our orders, and that's where I got all my supplies, and that is about it. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Let me know if there's anything else behind the scenes of business you want to see, and I will see you guys next time.